So next will be the second page of this tablet, is display. Now we click it, then we have few options here also. So for this option, this is the center point of any circle, but in this we required a conical probe. This option will work with the dial indicator. We can check the perpendicularity, and this option I will show you. This is just to check the flatness of any surface, and how it will check. Let's see. So these are the floating buttons. While pressing this button, the machine will float, and when I remove my hand, then it will be hard to move the machine. Suppose we have to check the flatness of this surface, granite surface. Then I have to click this button. It will ask whether you need to check the top surface or the bottom surface. But now in my case, this is the bottom surface, so I will click it. Then it will slowly will go down. It will give the beep, and then we have to scan it. We will have to float it like this. We need to float. So here you can see it showing the minimum point, the maximum point. The machine will calculate these points automatically, and then if we stop it, then we have to press the stop button. So this is showing 2.1 micron as a flatness. Now suppose in this case our part was big, granite plate was there. Then suppose if I take a V block, and again I will go with this point, again downside. Now my part is small, so in this case I can move my part. So like this I will move my part to scan the surface. So here you can see the maximum minimum automatically it has calculated, and if I stop it, so this is your flatnesses. So like this we can calculate a flatness. 2D we will explain later. Programming in this machine, we can make a program, but we will show you afterwards. Then there is a very beautiful feature in this machine is the PDF. So the dimensions which we have already calculated, so we can export to the PDF. We have to just click it. So it will say export all measurements. We say yes. Then automatically it will create the PDF, and it will show you like this with the symbols. So these are the calculations which we have done. But for example, if you do not need all the dimensions, you need some specific dimensions, then we can select that dimensions like this, for example. Then again we click it, so it will show you that dimensions only in the PDF format which we have selected one. So this is the one way how we can create a report. Then the second way is that we have a text file also, like a Word document. We will click it, yes, and then it will show your report in the Word format. So here you will get the description: groove center, surface from above, shaft from below, shaft center, everything it will show in this. So this is a brief regarding the working of this machine in a 1D mode. And now we are switching into main kind of settings. So in this machine we have by default inbuilt manual, operational manual. So here is the question mark. You just click it, question mark, it will blink like a green. Then if you choose any icon, suppose if I need to check ID, need to study how ID can be calculated, just you click it, your PDF page will automatically open. So this is the page where you can study this machine and its inbuilt manual. Again, if you want to switch off this icon, so it will switch off automatically. Then again for on, suppose I need to check this, need to read this, then it will show like this. Then if I close it, it will off automatically. Then we'll go to the settings. So here is the measuring parameters. So this is the standstill time. This is time when the probe will touch the surface and then will come up. So this is the time we have given, that 1 second the probe should be there on the surface. Then this is the unit. mm and inch, you can change it. This is the angular unit, degree, minute per second, you can choose anyone. Then this is the measurement speed. So measurement speed recommended is 5 mm per second, but you can choose as per your requirement. So these are the steps in which you can change it. Then machine having the minimum resolution of 0.1 micron. So depending upon your application, you can choose the resolution. So here the application is of 1 micron, so we are choosing the same. Lifting means when this probe will touch the surface, it will move automatically up. So this is the icon is a very safety feature, so that our probe will not be damaged. Then last is that acoustic signal. So whenever you measure something, the machine beeps. So that beeps will come only when you have ticked this mark. Then going into another settings, basic settings. So here you have the version, article number, serial number of the machine, and then you have the basic settings like date, time, language, decimal, auto off, display off. So as per your requirement, you can choose anything. Brightness you can calculate, you can handle manually, or you have to be in auto mode. Password protection, then you should remember the password, and then this is the factory reset button. So these are the basic settings of this machine. Again, these correction programmings are done from us. Even in the data exchange, you can transfer some data. Like in this machine, we have a facility. If you are using our micrometers, vernier calipers, or even our roughness tester, you can exchange the data between them. So their machine data can be come in this display unit. So this is the feature of this, and then we have data list. So here is the data which we have prepared it. Then file options, you can edit that PDF file, protocol header, like this kind of header. So what is the operator name, what is the part name, what is the component name, you can